This is not magic. This is a small science experiment. Pour sand in an induction pan. Gently shake well. Put a steel ball on it. Turn on the switch. You'll find that the ball actually gains momentum. Become a good painter. Rub the glass on the mouth of a beer bottle a few times. Tap it lightly. The beer will come out. This is the principle of the atomic bomb explosion. Seal a piece of gauze on the mouth of the empty bottle. Upside down on the glass. Add charcoal, sand, pebbles, sand, pebbles. Then pour in the dirty water. Then you can filter the water to make it drinkable. Don't throw away the finished chewing gum. Crush it into a cone shape. When the gum is not paying attention, use the coconut to smash it. The coconut was pierced. This is the power of non-Newtonian fluid. The shower is easy to clog after a long time. Add baking soda to the bag. Pour the right amount of white vinegar. Put on the clogged shower. Remove it after an hour. The shower will become smooth. Wrap and connect the two keys with a thin wire. Align the positive and negative terminals of the battery. A homemade electric heater is ready. This is the law of resistance. A ruler can easily be knocked down by a heavy object. Just cover the ruler with a thin piece of paper. The ruler can no longer be knocked down by a heavy object. This is the power of atmospheric pressure. Crush a match head into powder with a pair of pliers. Pour it into the locking hole. Insert a match. Ignite the match head. Wait for the match to burn to the lock hole. Forget the key lock will be open.